Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Messy Cows. I have come back with another obonga soup, Eguzi soup, Eguzi soup. If you're yet to subscribe, please do. Thank you. And also, if you're a returning subscriber that's always coming back to watch my video, God bless you. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. This particular soup is egusi, but a little bit twist in it. I'm going to be using Achi. I'm not a fan of egusi like that, so I prefer when I add Achi to it. And this soup is mostly done in the eastern part of Nigeria. You see this soup, you don't just find it anywhere. You only find it in when there is a special occasion, like traditional wedding in the eastern part. They will make it. They will put this big okporoko, that is stockfish in it. Very nice. You see them putting it. I had to break mine too, but they used to put the head like that, like Anyway, let's get started. I'll be putting the ingredients at the description box below in case you want to cook the soup and you need to follow it step by step, but you don't know the ingredients to get. So I started by steaming my proteins. The proteins I used was goat meat, cow meat, pomo, prowns, pretty much that. If you watch my other soup videos, you will notice I usually steam my proteins first, and when I'm adding the dry fish, I don't add all the fish at the beginning. The reason is because if I should add all at the end of I end up not getting any fish to the soup. It usually scatters, so I add little, and at the ending of the cooking I add the remaining fish. Make I see fish chop. It's well. So after doing that, you allow it to simmer for at least 5 minutes or till the meat is a little bit tender. If you also notice that after pouring the water and everything steaming, maybe the taste is off, you're not getting the taste, you can also add crayfish, pepper, a little bit of spices to it so that it can taste better. Depending on your taste buds, you know what you want. You know how you want your soup to taste. So, and for the Achi, which serves as a thickener, I actually don't know the English name for it, so I'll go with Achi. At the same time, this Achi has this unique taste that I can't explain. It's only when you cook it you'll be able to know what I'm talking about. Okay, I get to mix it with oil so it does not have lumps. In the soup. You can also use water, not necessarily oil though. The point is for it not to have cocoa. Let it not form cocoa in your soup. That is the point I'm trying to make using it. After adding the Achi, I then immediately add the egusi to the soup. When I add the egusi, I allow it to simmer for like 5 minutes. Then come back, add my red oil to it. I'll allow it also, after adding the red oil, I allow it to simmer for like 5 minutes, adding water to it also. Then I also add the fish, the remaining fish, the crayfish to taste. I added more crayfish to it. Here because my taste bud is different from your taste bud. I love crayfish so much. I added hot pepper. I needed it to be hot. Allowed to simmer for like 5 minutes again. Adding water to the soup depending on how light. It depends on how light or how thick you want your soup to be. So you keep adding water till you get the consistency you're looking for. And voila, I like to stay for another 5 minutes before coming back to add the vegetables to it. Then I like again to stay for like another 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You just keep checking up on it. That's pretty much how to make the soup. I told you it's very easy from the beginning. That this soup is very easy. All you just have to do is put everything in the pot and you're ready to eat it. You can eat it with pounded yam, any swallow of your choice. Why I went with fufu this time around, because I wanted to eat that traditional, that local way it's meant to be eaten. So you allow it to simmer for like 5-10 minutes again, adding water, like I said, depending on how you want it to be. And my Eguzi and Achi soup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned how to make this beautiful, unique, rich soup. Yeah, and tell me in the comment section if you're going to prepare it the way I made mine. You know, there are different ways to cook Egusi soup. Some people love to fry, but this is a traditional soup, this Achi soup, and I love it so much. I love it. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, share. If you're returning, thank you. If you're new to this channel, thank you for coming in, and please subscribe. Bye. See you in my next video.